Do you know what rubric is? How can we use the rubric? Hello, today I would like to introduce about the rubric. The rubric is important of unit and it helps to take assessment. But the rubric is a different system, so reading and understanding rubric is a little bit difficult. Now I will tell you what rubric is, how we can understand rubric, and what good points of rubric are. First, what is a rubric? The rubric is like this table. There is a lot of information in rubric. The standard of task and how you can get high score each criteria. There are a lot of criteria like A1, A3, B1, C4, D2, so you should understand each criteria. However, some people feel to understand each criteria is difficult, but no problem. You can get used to understand it. Next, how can we use the rubric? There are 3 steps. First, you read the rubric once. Next, put some lines on important points with your highlighter. Last, read the rubric again and again while working on your task, because the rubric is difficult, so you may forget standard of task on the rubric. Last, what are the good points of the rubric? Number 1, you can set your goals easily because each criteria have the rubric, so you can decide how many points you will get. Number 2, you will know how you can get high scores. The rubric has detailed explanations. Number 3, you can think reflections with the rubric. That's why you can use your new skills that you studied in a similar unit too. For example, Unit 2 and Unit 8 are the similar unit in first grade. Each unit have a listening test. These are same skills. This is a rubric of Unit 2. Look at the A1. It says you can answer 90% questions of all in score 8 to 7. And this is a rubric of Unit 8. It says you can answer 80% questions of all in score 8 to 7. These are similar, so you can use same skills in similar units. The rubric is difficult at first time, but you may use the rubric effectively. If you can use the rubric, you can get high scores. Do your best. Thank you for listening.